Hi everyone, in our previous video we have seen the identity part in Identity and Access Management service. So in this video we will see the access part like authorization. So this is the account created previously. So we will use this account to show the authorization part. So I will log in with these credentials in a new incognito window. Okay, I will copy this link and paste it here, and we'll log in with the credentials of Sampath. IAM user Sampath. Password Sampath@123. Yeah, in the previous video we have reset the password. So I am using the password which I have reset. So I should be able to log in now. Yes, I am able to log in with the password which I have set after temporary password. So now I am able to log into the console. So I will try to access some service to see if I have access. So I will try to access EC2 service and see if there are any errors. Yeah, if you can see, there are API errors. If you can see here, there are errors while launching an EC2 instance, while opening EC2 instance. So I do not have access to the EC2 service. So we will try to provide access to the EC2 service, and that part is called as authorization. As of now we have seen authentication. That means we are able to log in with the credentials that was created for Sampath. So authorization means what access does Sampath has. So we did not create any permissions for Sampath account. So we will go to users and add permissions to Sampath. So I will go to permissions and click on add permissions, and I did not create any groups as of now, so I'm not adding user into any groups. I will attach the policies which were created by AWS. Those are called as AWS managed policies. So I will provide access to Sampath for EC2 service. You can see I will give him full access and scroll down and click on next. You can see this is the permission that I have given to Sampath, and click on add permissions. Yeah, you can see under Sampath account I am able to see Amazon EC2 full access permission is added to Sampath. Now in the incognito tab, since we have logged into Sampath account, I will try to refresh. So now there should not be any errors because we have provided access to Sampath's account. If you can see, once we add permissions to his account, we did not receive any errors. So I will try to create an account, try to create an EC2 instance with Sampath account and see if that works or not, because we have provided him full access to EC2 instance. Now scroll down, click on launch instance. This is just for testing if that works or not. So I will create easily. Just just fill all these fields like name. I'm just launching. Any OS is enough. This is just for testing, right? I am selecting free tier eligible, and then scroll down. This is fine for me. Get new key pair, Linux kp 2, and click on create key pair. Go to network settings, select the subnet. Firewall rules, I am fine with the firewall rules which are defaultly given. So click on launch instance. So I'm just testing whether the access which we provided is working or not. This is just for testing. You can go to instances. We can see the VM just we have created. It is in pending state. So Sampath is able to get the access to the EC2 instance because we have given him permissions, right, to the EC2. You can see we have given him permissions to EC2. Yeah, if you can see now the VM has changed to running state. So now we can say that once we provide access to the user only, the user should be able to access the resources, and this is called as authorization. Hope you understand what is authorization and authentication. Hope you understand what is authentication and authorization. Authentication means what with what credentials user is trying to log in, and authorization means what resources does user is accessing once he is able to log in. That is the difference. Thank you for watching the video.